Hey guys, I'm here with another one. TikTok shop sent me this 3-set pajama. Let's see how it looks, okay? They're 3-set pajama. Wow. You have it in yellow, pink, and blue, okay? This is the blue. Look at the design. Wow. This is large. They have different sizes that you can choose on, okay? I'm just going to try one of it and let you guys see how it looks on me, okay? Let me try it out. Ta-da! I put it on. This is how it looks, guys. I love it. It's so comfortable. Like, I like the material. And the length, very perfect for me. This is how I like my pajama. I like it long. This is large. They have different size, medium, S, extra large, depends on what. And this is the pink. Wow, this is nice. I love it. I love the pink. And this is the yellow. Guys, make sure to click on the orange card and grab yours, okay? Wow, 3-piece and the price is affordable and shipping is very fast, okay? Yeah, I can't wait to sleep on this. Click on the orange card and grab yours. Look at it. Beautiful.